Hey everyone, Courtney here with Southern Owls. Welcome to my channel. Today we're going to be learning how to make a farmhouse tree topper. So I'm going to grab my M Bow and Go maker. This is from TMI Gifts. You can go snag one from them and I will tag it in the comments. And this is going on a 5-foot tree, and she wants the tails to go all the way down the tree. So we are going to do some math in my head real quick, which I should have already done. And we're going to do pretty long tails. Okay, we're going to pinch the middle, twist, and I might have to take this off because I might be doing, how big of loops do we want? Yeah, we want bigger loops. Okay, let's do a 10-inch loop because this is going on a Christmas tree. You see that splice? It'll be hidden. This is for a client. It'll be fine. Okay. And this is the ribbon she gave me. So I'll be like, you know, they spliced it. All right. Twist and lay it down. And then we're going to come over here. I always like to put my hand down where the 10 is on the yardstick. Okay. Put it down. Twist. We're going to do another one. Oh, you know what? I was going to use this. I was going to use this one. We're going to experiment. Okay, so we're going to go. So this was in the middle, and we're going to put this one on the back. Okay. Same with the 10-inch. Okay. Bring it all around. And we're going to stay in that top peg. Pinch and twist it. Come back and around 10 inches. And then we're going to do a super, super long tail. About 5 feet. Because these are going to trickle down her tree. Okay. So we want those tails really, really nice and long. And I'm just going to do another set of tails. I'm going to do these a little bit shorter though. We're going to do probably about 4 feet. And we're just going to lay that right down in the middle. So there'll be different size tails. And we'll make these the same. I need a bigger area. Okay. So now we have 4 10-inch loops and 4 really long tails to cascade down her tree. Okay. I'm now going to take this really fun, she wanted a little bit of glitz and glam into the tree. So we're going to take this 2.5 inch, I'm going to cut that because it looks sad. 2.5 inch, a little glam, a little glitz into the farmhouse. Okay. We're going to super long tail again. About 5 feet. And I'm going to go right in the middle this time. Pinch it, twist it, and we're going to shrink. Yeah, we're not going to, we're going to shrink. I try, guys. I try to use the peg. We're going to shrink it down to 9 inches. Okay. Pinch and twist. 9. I just hold my hand there. Okay. And let's do, I think that's all I want to do of this. We're just going to do a little glam, and we're going to do another really long tail so she can cascade this down the tree about 5 feet. Okay, just a little sparkle in there. We're now going to take our plaid ribbon. This is another 2.5 inch ribbon. Now my client, she bought all of this ribbon, so I'm not 100% sure where she got it all. We're going to go in the top pegs now. And I'm going to do these about 4 feet long. So they're all kind of a little bit different in size. And we're going to stay at that 9 inches. Do another 9-inch. Bring that over here. Do another 9-inch. Bring it back. And let's do 2 more. Oh no, I don't know if we have enough. Okay, I think that's going to be it actually for this one. Okay, so we're going to do 2 of that, which is fine. And we'll just leave that long. Oh my gosh, that was a short roll of ribbon. Okay, now we're going to go in. I'm going to go in with my 2.5-inch. Okay, well, we're going to go like this. So it's at an angle. Man, I wanted to do some more of that farmhouse. Okay, we're going to go in with our 1.5-inch. Now, this is from my stash. I love this. We're going to do a super long tail again. Okay. Pinch and twist. And we're going to shrink down to 8 inches. Pinch. I'm going to throw that over there. Pinch and twist. Right in that peg. Another 8-inch. We're going to do this kind of a lot. So pinch, twist, 8 inches. I'm going to go up top. Why not? They have them. Let's put them to use. Let's put them to use. Pinch, twist. Eight inches. Pinch, twist. We're going to come in again. Shrink down to the 7 inches. I'm going to go through the middle now. Pinch, twist. 7 inches. Pinch, twist. And we're going to do just one more at 7, and that's going to be our center loop. Okay. And then I'm going to come back down and around. We're going to make another super, super long tail so she can cascade it around her Christmas tree. Okay. Super pretty. Now we're going to grab our pipe cleaner, or our cable tie. And we're going to grab our bow. I like to scoop and pull and put that cable tie right around. I might need a bigger cable tie. This is a big bow. This beautiful big bow. Hold on. Put that cable tie right where the middle is. Oh my Lanta. There we go. Okay. Now we're in business. Okay. Now I'm going to grab a pipe cleaner. And before I tighten it all the way, we're going to slide that pipe cleaner underneath. Okay. And then we're going to get it really nice and tight. And then snip it off, that excess. Okay. Now we are going to fluff it out a little bit. Just put our hands in between those ribbons. And fluff, fluff, fluff. This one's going to be in the middle. Put our hands. Make it beautiful. Okay. So now we have our big, beautiful bow that's going to go alongside all of the fun picks that we're going to add. So I'm just going to angle cut these because she's going to put them in her Christmas tree, and I feel like probably an angle cut will look nicer than a dovetail. If she wants to dovetail them, I'm more than happy to do that for her also. If she sees it and she's like, oh, I really want those, you know, cut differently, then that is a-okay. Totally, totally okay. But we're just going to angle cut them for the time being So I'm just starting at the bottom, one corner, and then going up at an angle. Super, super fun, super easy. And this kind of makes it look a little bit nicer than a super blunt. Okay, almost done. It's all the little things that are the time-consuming parts, right? We got a little glitz in there. Okay, so this is going to go cascading right down the tree. That's going to be beautiful. Okay, I'm going to set that to the side. And now I'm going to show you what I do if I'm not decorating the tree in person and I'm just making a tree topper. So I'm going to start off with this really fun pick. This is from Hobby Lobby. And I'm going to go in with this fun glitter branch. We're going to put one on the front and then one on the back. Okay? And then I'm going to grab these really fun other ornaments that are red. And these are really cool because they're wired. So once we get where we're going with this, we can kind of piece these and pull them apart and out and all of that. But for the time being, we're just going to leave everything flat. So I'm going to go on the back side and add another one. Okay. And if your hands are like, oh, this is all I can hold, we'll just go ahead and grab a cable tie. Okay, but we're going to be adding a little bit more. Grab a cable tie and just go like that so you can give your hand so you're not having to grip it so hard, okay? So this is what it's looking like so far. So I'm going to add a little bit more glitz. So we're going to add another one of these fun glittery branches to the front and then to the back. Because she wanted a little glitz and glam, right? So then I also love these. Oh my gosh, I'm obsessed with these. So we're going to add these as a trio. So we're going to go one down in the corner, right? So the corner, get those out of the way. Corner, and then we'll put just three. We'll put one right on the back. So it's kind of just a different height, a different variation. So we have our smaller, we have our long wispy coming out, and then we have our really fun ornaments, our really fun farmhouse ornaments. Okay, we're gonna add another cable tie. I'm gonna add a couple because we want to make sure this is not gonna go anywhere. Okay, we're going to snip those off. And I am going to make this a little bit more even down here. Oh, I don't know if I can clip that one. Okay. I don't think my nippers, oh my goodness, will go around this bad boy. Ooh! Let's see if I can get half. Ooh, that is a strong, holy guacamole. Holy guacamole. Woo, that is a strong one right there, y'all. Okay, well, goodness. Goodness. Ooh. Ooh. Hope y'all are laughing with me. Oh my gosh. Okay, well. Oh, here we go. Here we go. Some of them are breaking. Okay. Goodness gracious. I might should have just left that one alone. Okay, another cable tie. Okay. So now we've got this going, okay? Really, really beautiful. and they'll just stick this right in the top of their tree, right? So the bow we are going to place right at the bottom, and we're going to use the cable tie to go around it. Actually, before I do that, let me add some cable ties to this. We're going to do green so she can secure this to her tree. Yeah, I want this to be the front. Okay, so we're just going to go around like this and twist. And we're going to add 3. So the pipe cleaners, she'll be able to secure that to the actual center of the Christmas tree. Let me add a little glue so none of this kind of, we're just going to go all over. Ooh, that glue. Can y'all see the steam? Holy moly, this Roby, I swear. Okay, adding some glue. I know it's dripping. It's fine. I'll peel it off my mat. Okay. And then we will add the bow to the front. Okay, I dried that real quick. And now if you were shipping this, I probably wouldn't add the bow. I'd have the client add the bow, but this is a custom order that is in my area. So I'm just gonna already attach the bow to it, just so y'all can kind of see the full thing. So pretty. Let me. Oh my gosh, I love it. So this will go right on top of her Christmas tree, and then once we get it on, we'll kind of adjust these, you know, since they are wired, we can kind of adjust them a little bit. We can fan these out a little bit more, but this turned out so gorgeous. And stay tuned, because I will take a video and picture of me installing this tree topper. I hope you enjoyed this fun tutorial, and I can't wait to craft with y'all again soon. Bye everyone.